Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you Ford F-150 XTR 4x4 2020, and we've installed on that car blind spot detection system. So we have sensors installed in the two sides of the vehicle on the bumper, directly on the bumper. We've also used the plastic spacer to make sure that we don't have any false reading from the vehicle. And now we're going to show you how the sensor system looks inside. So inside the vehicle, we have LED light, one on the passenger side, the second one is on the driver's side. When the ignition is on, the system is active. Now in this case, because we are inside the shop and we have vehicles from both, we have a vehicle and we have a wall on the other side, we will see the light on the sensors. Okay, so we have the light. Basically that means that the system is recognizing something in the way. Now if we put a signal to the left, for example, we're going to have a quick beep and we're going to have the LED light flashing. The beep is reminding us there's something there, and the LED light flashing is going to flash as long as there's something there. Now if there was nothing in that spot, it will turn off or it wouldn't be on. When you put a signal, you won't have any beep. For a blind spot detection system and other electronic devices, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.